In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription in Stripe. So the first step is to simply go on the left side and click on Product Catalog. Now here we're gonna have to click on Create Product in the top right corner. Now here we're gonna have to simply name our product, and here we can add a description of our product. Now here we're gonna have to simply upload the image of the product. So here you can upload your custom logo. Now the most important thing about this is here. So if you want to create a subscription-based product, you're gonna have to select recurring, then simply enter how much is gonna cost, and here you can simply choose your currency. So if you're selling in US dollars, make sure to select USD. Now here we have the billing period. So here we can select daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Or you can simply select a custom one if you want. Now, as you can see, if we select custom one, we can basically charge our customer every 2 months, but I'm gonna choose monthly since this is a subscription based. Then we're gonna have to click on add product, and basically that's all we have to do in order to create a subscription in Stripe. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.